Hi everyone and welcome back to Umbria. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in the charming town of Città di Castello, which is right in the border with Tuscany. In fact, in 10 minutes we are in the other region. And it is very close also to all of the most convenient airports, like the one in Perugia, just 40 minutes away, the Florence airport, just over 1 hour and 30 minutes away, and the one in Bologna about 2 hours away. The property that we're about to tour together is right in the very heart of the town, in between the two main squares of Città di Castello, ideal for someone that loves to live immersed in history, steps away from all of the main facilities, restaurants and shops of this place. It is a penthouse embedded on the top floor of a beautiful palazzo with medieval origins that I can't wait to show you. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. We are on the third and top floor of the palazzo. This property is 177 square meters in total, very cozy and wonderfully restored. Let's start the tour. From the entrance on the right, we directly access into the main living area. It is a large, bright space, tastefully furnished and with direct access onto the main terrace. This room is where we find the open space kitchen and dining area. On my left, we also have this very convenient bathroom with shower. And what I love about this room is that you can notice how we're right under the roof. In fact, you can notice the shape of the ceiling and the wooden beams. The roof, in fact, it's been redone just over 4 years ago. And here we are on my favorite part of the apartment, this gorgeous 180-degree view terrace. The view is truly outstanding. You see all of the town, you see the square right below, and in the distance you even see all of the hills. This is doubtlessly the perfect place to enjoy a nice coffee in the morning, a nice glass of wine in front of this view with the sunset right there in the evening, or simply a pleasant dinner right in front of the town. Let's keep going the tour of the indoor spaces. Right by the entrance we've just seen, on the left, if we keep going, we find this hallway space with, on the left, a large bathroom with a nice view on the terrace we've just seen earlier, and of course on the roofs of Città di Castello and the hills in the distance. Right beside, we then have what is currently the living area of the apartment. It is nice and large with wooden beams, nice terracotta floors. Over here we have a library, making this the perfect reading room. And through this window that gives actually so much light, we have the same view as the bathroom and the terrace. Beside the living space, we find the bedroom of the apartment. It is nice and large, and I love the ceilings with this sloped roof where you can see all of the wooden beams. Over here there is a nice window giving a lot of light. parquet floor, and have a look at this enfilade of doors that gives a nice effect. The room right beside is very similar to the bedroom and is currently used as a nice and spacious walk-in wardrobe. Beside the walk-in wardrobe, we have a third room that at the moment is used as a storage space or a pantry. In the end, we find the last room. It is nice and bright thanks to these two windows, and it's currently used as an office space or a guest bedroom. In fact, this sofa bed can be converted into a bed. And what a better place to end the tour than on this fantastic terrace. This is indeed a special apartment, and in the sale, most of the furnishings are included, making this the ideal turnkey opportunity for someone that would love to own a little gem in Italy to feel even more at home when they visit this country. I hope you liked this property. Please, before I leave you, subscribe to our channel for new videos like this every week, and in the comment section let me know what you think about this home. I will see you soon. Ciao!